Or not? Yeah, you're recording. Okay. Guys, this is the walk around of fancy system I made. I'm going to call it the dream system because it's my dream. It does what I want to do. On the front, we've got a Comscar lens, 75 millimeter. We have a bell housing here that has an IR switch inside, so I can switch between day and night mode. Laser. Big laser. Bad laser. Big bad laser. Tube does nothing except has cables that run from up here down to the components in here. This is a little battery deal. It's temporary. Something just to power it for now. I got to do something fancier with the batteries. A totally adjustable mount, up, down, left, right. My machine work isn't that good. I need a mount so I can adjust it up, down, left, right. My version of a T20. Little end cap that I took off. Pops right on there. I did not fill in this hole. The end cap rubber actually slides in real nice and fits right there, or you can pull it back so it's like that, or you can slide it in so it fills in that hole. On this side, we have, what do we have? This is the laser's got double indemnity. It's got two different switches for safety. This is a variable, low and high for intensity for the laser. It actually works okay. Set it to lower power. And this is an on-off. Even when this is on, when this is in the low position, you got no laser. You have to turn this like to here, and then the laser comes on. So this, just for safety. Laser's a dangerous toy. Here's the on-off day switch hooked up to the IR cut filter. Let me rip this off. Very similar to the Tony's build, with a little difference. Let me rip this off. I'll take this tank off so you can see what this really is in here. So I'm going to pause you for a minute. Okay, I took the tank off just to make this easier. It's silly gun. I have a thumb screw here. This tube just slides off. And here we have our VF2C, typical VF2C. I just have it hot glued in, because if I want to take it apart, I can. It's just gooped up with hot glue. On the bottom, we have integrated the actual camera, which is here. Igor's board sits underneath this camera, just like in Tony's build. Here's my Igor's board. Menu buttons. This camera does not have crosshairs. Gotta have crosshairs. This, right down through here, sideways, is one of those little video transmitters. So it has a video transmitter built in. I don't know. What else is there? The camera is set to turn on and record all by itself when it gets powered. We've got this gooped up with a little bit of JB Weld here, but I could take that out. But if I ever want to, it would be fun to get that camera out of there, but I can do it. I can't tell you guys how impressed I am with this camera. I have 4 of them, and I'm actually recording this video right now with one of them. This camera's got some nice features. The main feature being 1080p, 30 frame, full 1080p HD. 30 frames per second, or 720p, 60 frames per second. And there was one more lower resolution, 800 by 600 or something, that I just don't care about. I cannot tell you how impressed I am with this little camera. It does a heck of a job. And it works pretty good for night vision too, as you've seen. Alright. Let's put this back together real quick. This just slides on here, nothing, oh. Here. I had to be able to get the memory card in and out. So I bought a little cable, memory card goes here. It's embedded, this blue piece. Instead of being on the back of the camera, it's an extension cable. So you can mount it externally. It's on the side here so I can get to it, get the memory card out. For taking videos. Nothing fancy. You gotta work with what you got and within your abilities, and I can't thread that. And I don't really think I need to. This is just fine. It offers a little protection. We're good. Let's get on to the videos.